Jiangxi Fandian Wheel Forging Company Limited is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of alloy wheel. We are located in Jiangxi with convenient transportation access. Fandian purpose is safety, performance, and efficiency. We have established design and quality inspection requirements for our shareholder factory. Now Shareholder Factory serves some automobile enterprises, created different aluminum wheel designs for different use scenarios, such as racing cars, passenger cars, trucks, etc. At the same time, Shareholder Factory has provided designs and production exports for a large number of traders to meet different market demands. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, now we're selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as South and North America, EU, Asia, and Mid-East. We also welcome OEM, ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, if you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. Since its foundation, company keeps living up to the belief of honest selling, best quality, people orientation, and benefits to customers. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products. Start contact, start serves.